In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a sent or scheduled marketing email in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can stop an email before it reaches inboxes or confirm whether a send is already complete. First, open Hubspot in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct portal if you manage multiple accounts. From the main navigation at the top, hover over or click Marketing, then select Email. This takes you to your marketing email dashboard where you can manage drafts, scheduled sends, and past campaigns. Along the top of this page, switch to the Scheduled tab. This view filters the list to only emails that are queued to go out at a future time. If you don't see anything here, double check the filters and your permissions, or confirm the email wasn't already sent. Find the campaign you want to stop and open it by clicking Edit. Opening the email puts you on its details screen where you can see scheduling info and performance placeholders. In the top right area of this screen, look for the Actions menu. Click Actions, then choose Cancel Scheduled Email. HubSpot will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to prevent the send. Click Cancel Scheduled Email again to confirm. Once confirmed, the schedule is removed immediately. The email will no longer be queued and typically returns to a draft or unscheduled state. So you can update the content, adjust the audience, or pick a new send time. It's a good idea to refresh the Scheduled tab or check the email status to verify the cancellation went through. A quick note on timing and expectations. If the scheduled time is close or the send has already begun processing, some recipients may have already received the message. Canceling will stop the remaining sends, but it can't recall emails that have already left the system. If the campaign is fully sent, you won't see the cancel option. Instead, you can review performance and consider a follow-up or corrected message if needed. A few practical tips to avoid surprises. Confirm the sending time zone on your account before scheduling. Make sure your recipient lists are final. And consider pausing any workflows that might trigger related sends while you make changes. If you don't see the cancel option, you may need higher permissions from your admin. That's it. Log in, go to Marketing, open Email, filter to Scheduled, edit the campaign, and cancel it from the Actions menu with a quick confirmation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you prevent accidental sends and stay in control of your email schedule.